Hello everyone, my name is Emre Karaca. I am the group leader. Today we are excited to present the final presentation for our project, Smartphone Controlled Portable Pulse Signal Generator by Group 18. You can stop the presentation and take a look at the contents before continuing. Now let's start with the design preliminary. Firstly, here is the team members list including the roles. Firstly, we determined the problems in the market regarding pulse generators. Then the needs for this project are identified. Here is the objective tree. Usability and reliability are decided as highest priorities for our objectives, but other factors aren't discarded either. Then the pulse generation on theory and existing implementations are surveyed. We can say that the theory is manageable, and in addition to that, the market has a lack of pulse generators that match our needs identification. Here are the key system requirements. We determined the standards and constraints with respect to our engineering and marketing requirements. For required certifications and safety issues, we decided them to be parallel to our standards and constraints. For legal issues, our main considerations were regarding to data privacy, patents, and CE markings.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmet Furkan. I am the software engineer of this group, and today I will present the concept development and functional design parts of the presentation. These projects use concept generation techniques including literature review, product analysis, benchmarking, brainstorming, and NGT, resulting in the creation of the concept table. In the project, mobile app and LCD were chosen as the user interface, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for connectivity, battery and stick grid as power source, wearable and lightweight for size, frequency range and ease of use for specification. Other options were eliminated. The next part is functional design. This is a level 0 diagram showing the overall system flow with main components, basic interaction and outputs. This is level 1 diagram, providing more detail than the level 0 diagram. It shows the internal components of the system and illustrates data flow and power flow between modules. This is level 2 diagram. Each module's components are clearly detailed based on the specific function and roles. As shown in the table, we choose components that are easily accessible.
Hello, I'm Furkan Sarıyerlioğlu. I'm the hardware engineer of Group 18. I present you the models and test parts of our project. This is our flowchart. That shows how the system works step by step. It has three main parts. First is user interface, second is data processing, and last one is pulse generation. This is UML activity diagram. It visualizes the workflow to make the structure of the process more understandable. Although similar to flowchart, this diagram provides more detail than standard model for simultaneous processes and system behaviors. Now, I will talk about the testing processes. First, we performed integration test while the system was being installed. In the process, we modified the system to make sure it works correctly as a unit. We also performed detailed test after the system was installed. This is the first detailed test I will present to you. In this test, we tested how the system reacts to different situations and made sure that the communication system works correctly. Another important test is that this is acceptance test about output tolerance. In this test, the outputs for different frequency values were measured, and all frequencies stayed within tolerance. These tests were successfully passed.
Hello, my name is Yunus Emre. I am the system engineer of this project. I will show you how we manage our project. Project planning is important because it shows what to do and how we'll do it. It helps the team work better by organizing tasks and setting a timeline. This project was planned in this way. Task planning was done in our project. Each task was assigned and the needed resources were listed. Task sharing is showing in the table. Time planning was done to finish the project on time. The Gantt chart shows the schedule. The project took 8 weeks. Risk assessment analyzes potential problems in a project. It includes the probability and impact of the risk. The risks in this project are shown in the table. In our project, backup plans B and C were made in case the risk happened. These plans help keep the project on track. Cost analysis means calculating how much money a project needs, including materials, labor, and other costs. In our project, costs were planned for hardware, software, research, and personal needs. Personal expenses are based on each person's working time and experience. The table shows how much each staff member earns their service time. Risk and extra costs are possible expenses if unexpected problems happen. In our project, the risk budget is used when needed to keep the project running smoothly. A marketing plan is strategy to sell the product after the project ends. It includes target market, pricing, and promotion. Our plan was prepared using the topics shown on the slide. Thank you for your attention.